म्हाका दिसता की I have gelled well in the BJP and I am sure that I will gel in a proper way and there will be no sort of a situation where it's going to take time for me. म्हाका तरी दिसतालें की हे जे लोकल नेतृत्व हांकां इच्छाच नासली इलेक्शन जिखपाक. हे इलेक्शनाचो रिजल्ट आयल्या उपरांत आमचे काही ठरावीक कार्यकर्ते कडेन चर्चा चालू आसली आनी लोकांक दिसलें की हांवें एक वेगळे तरेन निर्णय घेवपाची गरज आहा आनी त्याच प्रमाणे हांवें तो निर्णय घेतलो. हे सिंगल हँडेडली हांवें निर्णय घेवपाक म्हणून हांवें निर्णय घेवंक ना. सत्तरीच्या हितान जें कितें योग्य आहा, लोकांच्या हितान जें कितें योग्य आहा. पूण म्हाका तरी दिसता की काँग्रेसचें नेतृत्व पळयल्यार आनी राहुल गांधीचे एटिट्यूड पळयल्यार म्हाका कसलोच फ्युचर दिसना हांचे कडेन. दिग्विजय सिंग आनी राहुल गांधीचे मदीं ही सगळी चर्चा चलता. ह्या दोगांक दोश दिवपाची गरज आहा आनी गोंयचे जनतेन तांकां मॅन्डेट दिल्लो अँड आय थिंक द पीपल ऑफ गोवा शूड पनीश दीस पीपल बिकॉज दे डोंट डिजर्व अ मॅन्डेट. अँड हे लोक सांगता की जेन्ना विरोधी पक्ष नेतो वेळ आयिल्लो जेन्ना दिगंबर कामतान सांगलें आपल्याक नाका, मागीर म्हाजें नांव कांय आमदारान सुचयलें आनी हांवें सांगलें तुमचें कांयच म्हाका नाका आनी हांव उठून भायर सरलो. आदर आय वूड हॅव बीन लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन इन काँग्रेस. आयडियोलॉजी म्हणटा तो विकासूच आसूंक जाय आनी म्हाका तरी दिसता की विजय सरदेसायन जो निर्णय घेतला योग्य निर्णय घेतला इन टर्म्स ऑफ डेव्हलपमेंट. कारण मनोहर पर्रीकर ऑल्सो इज अ व्हेरी एक्सपिरियन्स लीडर अँड आय फील दॅट थिंग्स वर मच बेटर वेन ही वॉज इन गोवा अँड आय हॅव ट्रिमेंडस फेथ इन हिज लिडरशीप इन टर्म्स ऑफ डिलिव्हरी.
तुमचे आरोप जाता की यू हॅव बिट्रेड युअर वोटर्स बिकॉज वोटर्स इलेक्टेड यू ऑन द काँग्रेस सिम्बॉल.
बिट्रेयलचो प्रश्नच येना. I am going to seek a fresh mandate of the people of Sattari and I am confident I will win with a thumping margin. But I don't feel that because my father has been a tall leader in Congress party, I should also follow the same ideology or I cannot change my thinking. And at some point of time in life, one has to take a different course in the interest of the people. What is in the best interest? There may be a lot of criticism, but you should have the confidence and you should believe in yourself that what you are doing is right. And I believe today that what I am doing is absolutely right. I am convinced that I have taken the right decision. I have gone as a father, I have taken the blessings of my son, not as a congressman.
Correct.
As a father, I have taken his blessings. He will always be the most respected person in my life because I am in politics because of him. And I have got whatever credibility in Sattari is because of his credibility and goodwill. That he will always be my tallest figure in my life. That doesn't change. Just because he is in Congress and I am in BJP.
It's a odd situation. खूप जण म्हणतात की you created very odd situation for Pratap Singh Rane without thinking from his point of view. How would you respond to
I am
that?
46 now. I have to think from my point of view. I'll be 50 in another 4 years.
Before the next election.
Before the next election, I'll be within 4 years I'll be 50.
Correct. Before the
so, but
next.
at 46, I should be able to take some decisions which are relevant to my people and what is relevant to today's political times and situation. एक गोष्ट हांव सांगूंक सोदता रेकॉर्डाचेर की हांव बीजेपीन फक्त ट्रांझीट पॅसेंजर म्हणून येवंक ना. हांगा रावपाक म्हूण आयला आनी काँग्रेसचे म्हाका विशयच येना.
Vishwajit Rane leaving Congress is like Rahul Gandhi leaving Congress on a national scenario.
Perhaps if I was Rahul Gandhi, I would have done a better job than Rahul Gandhi. No, my father cannot think like me, He's a different, he has been Chief Minister of Goa. You cannot expect Mr. Rane to take a different view or different. He has his own view, which has to be respected. I have my view, which is to be respected. And I think the people of Goa should respect the decision I have taken. आणि 70 ओव्हरचो विषय आयज आनी फुडें येवचो ना. So there is no question of me letting down Shri Manohar Parrikar at all. And if anybody feels that I am the same fiery Vishwajit Rane of 5 years back, I have also matured over the last 5 years. I have also seen...
You have not become less fiery.
No, but I am not going to create any kind of situation or work in a pattern that creates any disturbance either in the party or in the government.
एक गजाल तुम्ही स्टेटमेंट केलं की तुम्ही पर्येच्या विकासाचे लक्ष दितले, पर्याय काम करतले. Now this is a very interesting scenario again. जसं आम्ही पयलीं उलयताले की you are the MLA of Valapur and you are saying I will go to Porye. How does that dynamic work?
See, like I said, I being in the BJP, automatically everything becomes saffron. So as simple as that.
Are you saying that you want a BJP MLA in Porye after decades and decades and decades?
My father is not going to contest again. This is his last term. but definitely we have to ensure that his goodwill also is taken into consideration. He's got tremendous goodwill in Sattari. So I have to work in a very different way without hurting his sentiments. I have to work in a way because he's ultimately my father. And same time, I have to also ensure that BJP gets stronger. And I'll work without hurting anybody's sentiment. I will do what I have to do.